The rainforest is the pigeon's home, a sanctuary of life. But even here, in this seemingly impenetrable world, danger lurks. A single spark, a dry leaf ignited, can unleash a force of nature's fury. The fire spreads rapidly, consuming everything in its path. The pigeon's peaceful world is shattered, replaced by a terrifying landscape of smoke and flames. Its home, its food sources, its very existence is threatened. The pigeon flies for its life, a small, resilient creature against the backdrop of overwhelming destruction. It searches desperately for food and water, but the fire has ravaged everything in its path. The once abundant rainforest now offers only ash and despair.